deep breath at the top of the ski slope, taking it all in, ready to descend. There's just one thing missing. We've got no skis.
Running on the snow is an obstacle in itself.
And first, it's the wall, which is not that high, but when you consider your feet and your hands are slippy, you might need a bit of hand. That's the idea. That's all fine.
Having started up in Europe, obstacle racing on snow is now coming to the UK to challenge our fitness in this new way. And when you get down on the hard snow, it was a bit painful at first.
But you don't wear salopettes or heavy snow ski gear because that would just weigh you down and slow you down.
It's just to offer something a bit different. People have been doing mud runs for the last 6 or 7 years, so it's something new in the sequence of activities and people find it really fun. Running on snow, which is a bit like running on sand, which is really hard work. You've got a 15-degree incline, which is tremendously hard, and you've also got -4 degrees, which is very hard to run in. So it's a bigger fitness challenge than anyone will have had before.
Go. Keep your head down. Keep your head down. Go.
Just when you think.
Get through. Go.
Actually, a cuddle from a Yeti was a chance to feel a bit of warmth for a few seconds. But having said that, by the top of the course, we'd actually worked up a sweat anyway.
Come on, get up there. Come on, Mike, give it some.
It's not hard than any ski lift I've ever been on.
You've
got to do all the work.
It's really hard. I didn't think it was going to be this hard when they explained it. Yeah, also because of the cold as well. I'm finding it hard to breathe.
It's a totally different experience. Different type of breathing, using different muscles. You're working the core, working your legs, just brilliant all around.
The physical environment may have been cold, but the warmth in the group ensured that everyone got round.
How about this?
Oh, excellent. Yeah, it's very good. Once you get used to the course and the car.
Having a challenge, going up the hill and run against the snow, and also my other friends as well here is really good. It is. It's a pretty good challenge, but for me especially good for my mental health.
It's only a few hundred yards, but what a workout. This is exhausting.
And for some of those taking part from a Milton Keynes running club, this was a first ever taste of exercise on snow, and the hope is through this, more people will be tempted to take up snow sports as well.
No, I've never skied before. Yeah, I don't know how to ski, but I'm thinking about taking a ski.
And after all the hard work, it was downhill all the way. Mike Bushell, BBC News in Milton Keynes.